Did you know the mechanical keyboard evolved from a 1970s clash between traditional typewriters and burgeoning computer terminals? In a high-tech lab, engineers swapped clacking metal switches for electronic ones, seeking tactile feedback and speed. That tiny switch revolution changed coding, gaming, and design, turning words into expressive keystrokes and transforming offices worldwide. Loving these hidden invention stories? Hit subscribe and uncover more secrets of history with us as new chapters unfold. Stay curious and ready for the next mystery as we unveil forgotten gems behind everyday objects.